Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read number. Let's learn. The number of a noun tells us whether the noun is singular or plural. जो noun का number होता है उससे हमें पता चलता है कि वो singular है या plural है. Now study the following sentences. The girl is eating a mango. The girls are eating mangoes. In the first sentence, the nouns girl and mango are singular in number, and in the second sentence the nouns girls and mangoes are in plural number. We notice that the verb changes according to the number of the noun. Noun के number के according verb भी change होता है. Now formation of plural nouns. Though you have studied in your previous class the rules of converting singular nouns into plural form, it is pertinent to revise them to refresh your memory. Number 1, most singular nouns take s to make their plural. अधिकतर के साथ हम s का यूज करते हैं प्लूरल बनाने के लिए. Apple, apples, duck, ducks, bag, bags, frog, frogs, cock, cocks, goat, goats. Singular nouns that end in ch, sh, s, double s, x or o take es to form plural. इन सब के साथ हम लास्ट में प्लूरल बनाने के लिए es का यूज करते हैं. वॉच, वॉचेस, एजेस, ब्रश, ब्रशेस, फॉक्स, फॉक्सेस, फोटो, फोटोज, बस, buses, mango, mangoes, logo, logos. In nouns that end in f or fe, we change f or fe to v and then add es. अगर f और fe में end हो रहे हैं तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं उनको हटा करके v and es. Half, halves, life, lives, knife, knives, wife, wives, chef, chefs, leaf, leaves, wolf, wolves, roof, roofs. In noun that end with a consonant plus y, we change y to ies. Activity, activities, fly, flies, baby, babies, hobby, hobbies, city, cities, lady, ladies. In nouns that end with a vowel plus y, we add only s. उसमें हम केवल s का यूज करते हैं. Day, days, monkey, monkeys, ray, rays. Some nouns change their spellings when changed to plural. किसी किसी की spelling change कर देते हैं. Foot, feet, goose, geese, man, men, mouse, mice, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth. Next, a few nouns have the same singular and plural forms. किसी किसी की same होती है. Aircraft, aircraft, fish, fish, deer, deer, spices, spices, sheep, sheep, furniture, furniture. Some nouns have plural forms but actually are singular in meaning. Plural form होती है लेकिन meaning उनकी singular होती है. News, athletics, billiards, physics, maths. Some nouns are always plural. हमेशा plural में होते हैं. कौन कौन से noun? Spectacles, glasses, trousers, scissors. Noun that end in is, the plural ends in es. Ellipses, ellipses, analysis, analysis. Noun that end in on, the plural end in a. Phenomenon, phenomena. Criterion, criteria. I hope it is clear to you now. This is your exercise. You can practice it.